3/10. 3/10.
Jones ahead of Vanell. Into the second spot. It's Childress and Pearl. 3/10 of a second to take the lead in STF. 55.7 was his best time. 52.8 for Tim Boyle. 54 has him in the lead now by 45,000 over Dennis. Way to get it done. Sato yet to run, so Boyle gets it done on his third run. Sato finds some time, 54.8, but going into the final run. Boyle takes the lead and the win. 45,000 over Dennis. Sato in third.
Got him.
What a battle that one was.
Yeah.
What was it?
I don't know.
I'll look it up in a second.
Princeton for no help, 53.3, but he is your leader. Only Brown and Sin to catch him. Brown on course right now. Brown's gonna need